Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to discuss about sets and JavaScript. So first of all, we have created a file sets.html, and we have opened the same file here in the browser as well. And we have attached a JavaScript file to this file, which is the sets.js JavaScript file, and we will write our code here in this JS file. So let's start. So first of all, we will create a variable. So let my set is equal to, and we create a set by a keyword new set. So new set, and we will pass our values here inside this set. So let's say if we write 1, 2, 3, so it will not accept it and it will give us an error. So let's say 1, 2, 3, and you can see it is giving us an error because number 1 is not attributable. So it accepts only attributable value. So from it we can loop. So let's say we pass an array here. So from an array we can loop, and it is an attributable value. So that's how now the error is gone. So let's console.log it. So console.log and my set, and you will see all of the values here. So you can see 1, 2, 3 here, and which we have declared in the set. So now let's say we pass here a string. So what will happen? So let's say my name is Ali. So you can see that it took the string and has stored each character in a value. So you can see my name is Ali. So it took every character and stored it. So because string is an attributable value. So let's change it again. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. And now how can we add values here to our set? So let's say my set dot add, and here we will write add a value here. So let's say we add 5, and let's say we add 6. So you will see that 5 and 6 is added to our set. So now let's say we want to add a value again. So let's say we add 2 again. So the set only has 2 ones, which we 1 it was already there, and we added it one more time, but it has only the value 1 because a set can only have a value one time, not more than one time. So it will not repeat the values. So let's say we add 6. You can see 6 here. So we have added 6, but we don't have 2, and we have 6 2 times. So we have each value one time only. So let's say we have added 5 2 times, but we have it only one time here in the set, because a set cannot have repeated values. Now let's say we want to delete a value. So how can we delete it? By a delete method, and you can see if we can delete a 2, so 2 is not there, and we have successfully deleted the value 2. Now let's say we want to clear the set so that there is no value in it. So you can use the clear method, and you can see the size is 0 and there is no properties in the set. So we have successfully deleted all the values from the set by using the clear method. Now let's add some other functionalities. So how can we add the size of the set? So we can use it by the size method, and we can get the length of the set. So the length of the set is 6. And let's console.log it. So you will see we have 1 to 6 values here in the set. So the values are 6. Now let's say we want to check for a value if a set has a value or not. So we will use a method has and has2. So if it has 2, it will return true, which is the case. But if we write 7 here, so it will return false because there is no 7 here in our set. So that's why it is returning false. Now let's say we want to add the get the values from the set. So we will use the values method and we will get all of the values from this set. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we got all of the values from this set. Now let's loop through it. So you can see, so for my set, and I will write here the of loop. So value of my set and let's console.log it. Console.log value, and you can see all of the values from this set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and all of the values are there. So now let's say we write values here from set, so you will get the same result 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can loop through it in either of the way. So let's change the method now. Let's say we write here entries. So entries will take the values and return it 2 times. So you can see 1 is 2 times, 2 is 2 times, 3 is 3 times. So it return the values 2 times. And let's loop through it so that you can understand it. So as you can see, 1 array, 1, 2, 2 array, 3, 3 array. So as you can see, so now how can we access it? So we will access it by restructuring. So value and value 2. So we will restructure it and now let's console.log it. So we will get it. So value and value 2. And now you can see it return the values 2 times. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So it return all of the values 2 times. So that is because if you want a key value pair, so you can get the values like this. Now let's say we want to write here keys. So if we want to get the keys, so as sets don't have keys, so it will take all of the values and return it as keys because we don't have keys here in the set. So we have only values in the set. So it will take all of the values and return it as keys. So that's all about sets, and see you in the next video.